Hello everyone, pan-fry some noodles in a pot and they instantly turn into a delicious dish. Many people have never tried this before, and the aroma is just amazing. First, prepare an appropriate amount of fresh noodles and set them aside. Next, get 50 cents worth of soybean sprouts. Take a few stalks of celery and cut them into sections. After cutting, place them on a plate. Prepare a suitable amount of dried chili peppers and 1 star anise, a little Sichuan peppercorn, and a few cloves of garlic sliced. Slice 10 grams of fresh ginger. Chop an appropriate amount of green onion. Prepare 50 cents worth of pork belly and slice it thinly. Next, add a little oil to the pan. Add the pork belly and stir fry until fragrant and the fat is rendered out. Fry until the pork belly turns slightly golden. Then add the green onion, ginger, garlic, dried chili peppers, and star anise. Stir fry until fragrant. Add a suitable amount of dark soy sauce for color, a little light soy sauce, and some oyster sauce. Splash in a bit of cooking wine to remove any unpleasant odor. Then add the celery and stir fry a few times. Add half a bowl of water. Start seasoning by adding an appropriate amount of white pepper, 1 spoonful of 13 spice powder, 1 spoonful of chicken bouillon, 1 spoonful of salt. Then add the soybean sprouts and mix well. Cook for another 2 minutes to ensure all the ingredients are cooked through. Once cooked, pour everything out and set aside. Heat the pan, add a suitable amount of oil to coat it to prevent the noodles from sticking when frying. Heat the oil until it starts to smoke, then pour it out and add a little more oil to the pan. Next, add the fresh noodles to the pan and spread them out evenly. On low heat, fry the noodles until the bottom turns golden brown. This makes them more fragrant and tasty. Once one side is done, flip the noodles over. Fry until both sides are golden brown, then it's ready. Then pour in the broth from earlier. Cover the pan with a lid and simmer on low heat for 2 minutes, allowing the noodles to soften and absorb the flavor of the broth. After 2 minutes, stir the noodles evenly. Next, add in the stir-fried ingredients. Stir everything together evenly. Cover the pan and simmer for another minute. Alright, give it one final stir and it's ready. And just like that, the traditional Henan-style fried noodles are done. Nutritious, smooth, chewy, fragrant, and delicious. I guarantee you'll never forget them after just one bite. If you like my video, please like, comment, and share. Thank you for your support.